Gurgaon, now known as Gurugram, the one of the Delhi's 4 major satellite cities and is part of the National Capital Region. It is just 10 kilometers away from Indira Gandhi International Airport, Delhi. Over the past 25 years, the city has undergone rapid development and construction. Gurgaon has now emerged to become the city with the 3rd highest per capita income in India. Today, Gurgaon is the most powerful brand that Haryana has. Popularly known as Millennium City, Gurgaon has been positioned as a modern and cosmopolitan metropolis. The industrial and financial center of Haryana, Gurgaon is a rich city in every sense of the word. Gurgaon has steadily earned a name for itself as one of the best cities in India to work and live in, primarily due to the upsurge in the number of commercial establishments over the last decade. Ever since India opened up its economy to foreign investment in 1991, Gurgaon was identified as a lucrative destination for investment. DLF Cyber City, futuristic commercial hub housing top IT and Fortune 500 companies. Cyber Hub, the most premium socializing zone. More than 1,200 industrial and commercial units. Infrastructure development and real estate has been going hand in hand in Gurgaon and often influences each other. This is a vital prerequisite for investment. Furthermore, several infrastructure projects are already in the pipeline. Its closeness to Delhi and in addition, the excellent connectivity with the NCR, that is, Noida, Delhi, Ghaziabad and Faridabad is another reason behind expanding interest in Gurgaon. Its closeness to the Indira Gandhi International Airport is another factor working in its favor. Home to more than 8.5 lakh people, Gurgaon has provided various opportunities for employment for both men and women, especially in the multinational corporations and large business houses. The standard of living in Gurgaon alone is higher than that of other cities in the NCR. Gurgaon is not only the fastest growing one, but is also the financial and industrial center. Maruti Suzuki Private Limited, DLF Limited, General Electric and many other established companies branded Gurgaon as one of the most offshoring centers in the world. Several multinational companies have set up shops in the city along with countless other domestic business houses. Renowned hospitality chains such as the Crown Plaza, Leela Hotel, Oberoi, DoubleTree by Hilton, Vivanta by Taj, Marriott, Trident and the Hyatt have encouraged tourism, along with comfortably accommodating high-class businessmen within the city. Sohna is a breath of fresh air soaked in the richness of history and nature. A beautiful, lush green town in Haryana, Sohna is a nice weekend gateway, away from the chaotic city life of Delhi. Set in the foothills of the Aravalli Mountains, Sohna is a perfect retreat, quite popular for its medicinal water springs, lake, as well as ancient temples dedicated to Lord Shiva. Here at Sohna Road, what you seek is seeking you. Sohna Road is a perfect amalgamation to breathe a fresh life at the Aravalli foothills, yet a part of this Millennium City. Centrally located between Gurgaon and Sohna, the most promising and futuristic destination. Close proximity to NH8, KMP, Rajiv Chowk and Golf Course Extension. Proposed 22.5 km elevated flyover connecting Rajiv Chowk to Sohna. 30 minutes from International Airport. 15 minutes from Delhi Metro and rapid metro stations with planned expansion for Sohna Road. World-class education facilities a stone's throw away. A true home is not a place, it should be a feeling. Gurugram on that note is surrounded by several close to nature prominent locations. Damdama Lake, the perfect picnic spot. Sohna Road now got the most reliable and ethical real estate developer, Tata Housing. Tata Housing is one of the leading holistic real estate development company and has built many landmark projects across India. Tata Housing projects in Gurgaon are being constructed with modern technologies offer premium residences, top-notch amenities and delivery promise. The most exclusive addresses at Gurgaon now are available with Tata Group. Don't buy the house, buy the neighborhood.